to my channel. My name is Lydia. So today I'm coming at you with this easy full glam fall makeup look. If you guys want to know how I got this look, then keep on watching and I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Okay guys, so to jump into this video so I don't look like a boy anymore, I'm first going to moisturize my skin. I'm going to go in with my Mario Bagazzi, whatever it's named, I don't know, Hydro Moisturizer with vitamin C. This is for combination sensitive skin. I'm neither, but I'm still going to use it. For these winter months, you need to make sure that your skin is staying hydrated. I have oily skin, but just because I have oily skin does not mean that my skin is staying hydrated. I still need to moisturize my skin. If you guys are wondering where my contacts are from, they are from a company called TTDI, and they're in Polar Lights yellow green. They're very pretty. You can use my code LittyBaby, get some money off your purchase. So now that I have some moisturizer on, I'm gonna go in with some Mario Rose Water, help even out my skin tone. I don't know if patting this in does anything, but I've seen other people do it, so that's what I'm going to do. I am going to prime with two primers. I'm going to prime with the Stay Matte Rimmels London and the NYX Cosmetics Dewy Me Up Primer. I'm going to put this one in the areas where my pores are big. Apply this in places I get oily. The reason I'm putting this on is because I want to see if it's going to help my foundation I'm going to put on today, because my foundation is very drying. So in my head, I think a hydrating primer might help. I don't know, but we will find out. So for foundation, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline 24-Hour Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. This foundation is very drying, so that's why I tried that Dewy Me Up primer, hoping that that might help. You know. Dot it all over my face. I'm also going in with my Real Techniques sponge. I'm going to go in with my Pro Concealer by LA Girls and conceal my face with it. So now to set my under eyes before I start creasing. I'm already creasing. I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me Loose Powder. I'm basically just setting my face in all of the places that I will crease. So now to warm up my face, I'm going in with my Pro Concealer by LA Girl in Cool Tan for some cream contour. So now that I have this on, I'm going to wipe off the bake off of my forehead so I can cream contour my forehead. But I don't use a lot. I just take like what's left on my whatever it's called. Buff her into my skin. I'm now going to finish wiping off my bake. So to bronze up my face, I'm going to go in with my Park Avenue Princess Bronzer by Tarte Cosmetics. I'm now going to cut my bronzer, if that makes sense to you. If not, you will see what I mean. You cut it like that. So satisfying. So while that sets, I'm gonna go in with my Pixi Beauty Pixi Glow Cake in GlidedBare Glow. It's like a highlight, blush, and bronzer. I've swatched it, so that's why it looks kind of ugly. But I'm gonna go in with the middle shade and use that for some blush. So I am now going to go in with my Morphe lip liner in Honeymoon, line my lips. I am then going to go in with my Pop Beauty lip pout in the shade Go Getter. So now I'm going to wipe off my bake. I'm going to spray my face with the Mario Rose Water to help blend in all of these powders. I'm going to go back in with the Pixi Glow Cake GlidedBare Glow, and I'm going to use this shade for my highlight. So now for the eyes, I'm going to be using this Profusion Bare Eyes palette. I was wanting to do a fall look. This has the perfect colors in it. So now I'm going to take this color and put that all over my lid. It's like a very nice bone shade. So now I'm going to be taking this shade called Zing and putting that all over my crease and pushing it upwards. Going to go in with this shade called Clever and put that just in my crease. I'm just going to buff that out with Zing. So I'm now going to cut my crease with the Tarte concealer and then going to use this shade to set it lightly. Now I'm taking the gold shade in here, looks like this, and putting that all over my lid. I'm going to dip in the shade Clever. It is the darkest shade in the palette, and put that here and blend out those harsh lines. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side of my eye. Going to set it with the shade Sugar. And I'm going to take the gold shade and pop it on my lid. Going to take Clever. So I am then going to take Clever once again, put that on my lower lash line. And that is it. Super, super simple. Now I'm going to go in with some Better Than Sex mascara by Too Faced. I'm going to go in with my Dodo lashes in the style D307. You can use my code GlidedBare to get some money off. These are like one of my favorite dramatic lashes ever. I'm also going to go in with the Kiss Lash Glue. So this is the final look that I came up with. I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial, and there will be plenty more to come up with, and I will see you guys in my next video.